Africa, a growing frontier with an expanding economy and population. According to the latest UN forecast, the population of sub-Saharan Africa was around 1 billion in 2019. However, it's expected to double to 2.1 billion by 2050. Thus, there is a concern for the rapid increase in energy demand, and the stable supply of electricity is a major issue. Green growth is expected to solve this problem. By actively introducing green energy which emits less carbon dioxide, it aims to reduce the environmental burden and achieve significant socio-economic growth. The Japan International Cooperation Agency JICA is supporting this initiative.
Africa is the frontier where both the economy and the population are growing rapidly. Although the continent is endowed with rich renewable energy potentials, such as hydro and geothermal resources, about 600 million people still remain without access to electricity. Africa needs to enrich people's livelihoods by improving their access to electricity, while minimizing the increase of greenhouse gas emissions. To this end, it is essential for Africa not only to fully utilize its renewable energy resources, but also to maximize their values by paying attention to how they should be used and developed. JICA would like to highlight the following 4 keywords in this regard. First, stable supply. Energy must be not only green, but also supplied in a stable manner. Second, access. It is imperative to reduce unelectrified population by maximizing green energy utilization. Third, business. Local business and employment needs to be activated. Finally, innovation. Africa can take part in technology innovation that is required to achieve carbon neutrality in line with the Paris Agreement. JICA will partner Africa to take pathways of green growth with these 4 key objectives of cooperation. This video introduces you what we are doing and what we try to achieve with our partners beyond TICAD 8.
Africa, with its rapidly growing population, needs to increase food production. Fertilizers are essential to achieving fruitful agriculture. However, many African countries rely on imports for fertilizers, which are expensive and not available to many farmers. Thus, expectations for domestically producing ammonia, which is a raw material for fertilizers, is increasing. Therefore, a project to develop a technology for efficiently producing ammonia on a small scale is about to begin in South Africa.
The Republic of South Africa has the world's highest solar elevation site. The government have a plan to produce green hydrogen and ammonia there. The Northwest University and the Kosen Numazu have a technical cooperation program to develop a new ammonia synthesis system using solar, hydrogen and energy.
Moreover, hydrogen and ammonia can also be used for mobility, electricity storage and power control, so they are expected to be used throughout Africa. Japan is also taking on the challenge to transfer to hydrogen and ammonia in order to realize carbon-free thermal power generation. A society that actively utilizes hydrogen and ammonia may be the future of the Earth. Sustainable Development Goals. SDG's Goal 7 aims to ensure access to affordable, reliable, sustainable and modern energy for all.
Africa needs to further develop infrastructure and achieve drastic growth in coming decades. JICA will work closely with African partners to make technological and socio-economic leapfrogging to realize green growth.
Clean, affordable energy for all. This is Sustainable Development Goal 7. Clean energy benefits people and supports economic growth. In JICA, we will engage in a just energy transition in collaborating with the people of Africa and in supporting Africa's own initiatives. And we believe that by working together, we can make Africa the continent of green growth.